Hello, I'm Rafael Stanziola Clark, and I'll be presenting my video project for Material Science 201, and I'll be speaking about diamonds versus cubic zirconia. Today I'll be answering these common questions. What are the differences in properties? How can we tell them apart? How are they made? And what are the price differences? Cubic zirconia has an FCC crystal structure with a lattice parameter of 0.517 nanometers. It has the same exact structure as calcium fluoride. We can see a photo of it in the bottom right corner. It has a melting point of 2,750 degrees Celsius. It has a density of roughly 5.7 grams per cubic centimeter. And it's an 8 to an 8.5 on the Mohs hardness scale. And on the top right is a photo of a popular CZ bracelet that I own myself. Properties for diamonds includes an FCC structure, the same for cubic zirconia, and has a lattice parameter of 0.357 nanometers. And the top right photo is a single diamond crystal. So one of those sides measures to be 0.357 nanometers. It has a melting point of over 4,000 degrees Celsius. It has a density much less than cubic zirconia, at roughly 3.5 grams per cubic centimeter, and it has the highest grading on the Mohs hardness scale out of 10. We can tell them apart due to the light that they give off. Diamonds only give off one ray of color in natural light, while cubic zirconia gives off a rainbow of colors under natural light. And they're much brighter than diamonds. The refraction variable is greater, and they reflect more light. And diamonds have natural flaws. However, with normal diamonds that you would buy and high-grade diamonds, they have very few. But the surefire way of telling a diamond is to have a diamond tester, and it tests the heat conductivity of the material. Cubic zirconia is made by melting zirconia oxide with an yttrium stabilizer at 10%, also with a mixture of magnesium and it's heated to nearly 5,000 degrees Celsius and is then heated to it's then cooled to room temperature, and it takes several days to do so. Then it's broken off into blocks, which can then be shaped into crystals. Diamonds are made deep underground and take billions of years to form. Only roughly 200 million years ago, they came close to the surface, and they are carbon deposits that have been heated to 1,500 degrees Celsius under a pressure 50,000 times that of the surface of the Earth. Diamond ore is also called kimberlite and is dug up from digging sites and normally stay in big pieces because the rock around the diamond is just as hard as the actual diamond. Then they are cut and polished for jewelry. The price differences are drastic. 1 carat of diamond can cost between $1,800 and $12,000. And it's largely because they are so rare and they are a natural beauty. However, cubic zirconia is much cheaper because they're lab made and can technically be made whenever they want. There's no such thing as a rare cubic zirconia. Also, diamonds can be much more because they have less flaws, as I mentioned earlier. The grading and quality become higher, therefore they become cleaner and brighter. These are my sources.